Hi, this is to show some new features of CSound version 092. First big change for Linux users is that it's now possible to install system-wide, and it means that you can start it as any normal application. So you find it in the menu or among applications, and it starts up. Another nice thing is that it installs also mimetypes for CSound files. So if you go to a file manager, you can see now the CSound files are nicely recognized, and if you click on it, then it just opens the file. And also it does not open anymore another window for a new file, but it sends signal to the running instance and it opens the file in a new tab. Also, there is now a little bit enhanced virtual MIDI keyboard, and there is now a button in the toolbar to easily show and hide the keyboard. So you can easily get it running. And there are now some control channels, and the keys can be played with mouse as always, but also with keys from your computer keyboard. And you can also now test some control channels. So let's say that I'm controlling now some parameters via this channel 7. So for MIDI work you have a nice tool to test your things, and you can easily open it and use it. You can find the virtual MIDI keyboard also from menu under view as it was before, but now I think it's much more convenient. Another nice thing also connected to MIDI is that you can, like it was before, you can control the CsoundQt widgets via MIDI, but now assigning the values is more convenient, and also some errors were fixed. First of all, you need to have CsoundQt compiled with RT-MIDI support, and you need to select your MIDI interface. And then when you go to the widgets and take properties, then you have the MIDI learn button. And then everything you need to do is just press or turn some knob on your physical MIDI controller, and it gets assigned to the widget. So it can be either buttons or any slider or spin box or anything like that. So now I'm setting one controller to a knob on MIDI controller and another button. Also a new thing is that the button, if it is an event button, can be also triggered from MIDI keyboard. So okay, let's put it running now, and I will now turning the knob to choose the beginning section and press on a button to start the playback. Yeah, okay, and it works. Before I had also a stop button assigned to the stop button of my MIDI controller. So I think it's much more convenient, so happy using.